everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing some off-campus essentials for your very first apartment, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, I'm gonna go room by room because that's how I organize this list. So let's go ahead and start with the bedroom. So the first thing you'll need is a mattress topper, which is that foam thing that makes the mattress a lot more comfortable. Pillows, bedding. An air mattress also works if you don't want to buy an actual mattress. You also might want to get a small bedside table depending on your furniture situation, a mirror to mount over the desk so you can use it as a vanity as well, a toolkit that includes hammer, nails, and wall hooks. Now moving on to the bathroom. So you want a shower curtain and liner, toilet paper, cleaning supplies, a vacuum, a trash can, bath towels, hand soap, a bath mat, and a bathroom rug. Moving on to the closet. So you want storage bins, hangers, shoe rack, and a safe to lock up your valuables. The next thing is the kitchen. So in here you'll want a toaster, a microwave if your complex doesn't already have one, food storage containers. Target has some really great ones that are the glass Pyrex containers. They have the glass that you can actually bake in it as well with the rubber snap-on lid, which is really nice. A baking sheet and a casserole dish. Pots and pans with utensils. Dishes, so this includes mugs, glasses, utensils, bowls, serving spoons. You can get a full set from Target and they have like plates, cups. I think you can get a full set for like maybe $20 or $30 and they all match, which is like aesthetically pleasing. That's a big thing. A paper towel holder, measuring cups, a bottle opener and can opener, a coffee maker if you drink coffee, or even like a tea kettle or something that you can warm up tea in, aluminum foil. This sounds more like a grocery list. A blender, a dish drying rack, oven mitts, pot holders, dish towels, and then for miscellaneous stuff I put on here a laundry hamper and curtains and rods for the windows. So stay tuned for a blog post coming that I think is gonna be a little bit more wholesome than what I provided in this video, but this is just the things that I could think of off the top of my head. I feel like we covered a lot here. This will be everything you need to get started. A lot of this stuff you probably already have in your home, so you could probably either take it with you or you might even have it from living in a dorm. First apartment is very exciting. I myself have not lived in an apartment up until this point in my life, so I'm really looking forward to hopefully next year being able to move out of my parents' house and get an apartment. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. I post twice a week lately and I'm gonna have to do something different for the fall because normally I post vlogs when school gets back in session, but considering that I'm not gonna be leaving my dorm very much, I'm not gonna have anything to post. So I'm gonna have to really get creative. So drop your ideas down below of what you wanna see on my channel. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!